Hey guys, this is Am back with you with a new video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to hack AppBounty on Android devices. Now I know you're seeing an iPhone in front of you, but this is just to prove it to you guys that this hack worked on iPhone and iOS devices, and today's video is going to be for Android devices only because many of you asked me to do an Android one, and there's finally the video is available for you guys. So make sure to enjoy the video and stay tuned so you can know how to do this.
And for your sake, just for you guys, I will be doing a giveaway every video. So when every video is made, 3 people will win gift cards. Now all you need to do to win those gift cards is, the first thing you have to do is subscribe to the channel and make sure to like the video and also comment what you want, and most importantly share the video on Facebook or on your social media in order to enter the giveaway, because each video 3 people will win gift cards. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can win a gift card for the next video.
Alright guys, so all you need to do is have an Android device and it needs to be connected to Wi-Fi. This doesn't work on SIM card internet services. This has to be connected to a Wi-Fi, and once you connect your Wi-Fi device, you need to go and do this option where it says show network settings. Once it's shown, you have to copy your IP address because the hack will be done on your IP address, and this is a bit complicated and I'll explain to you why this works, but the steps are very easy. So just make sure to memorize this IP address in front of you. Each device is different. Mine is this, maybe yours is a different one. Just make sure to memorize it so the hack can work perfectly. So once you've memorized that, make sure to go to the link that is in the description. It only works if you open the link in the description, so make sure to do that. Open the link in the description, and once you open it, it's gonna take you to a really special AppBounty website, and it takes you there so you can install AppBounty from the start. You need to delete AppBounty if you have it on your Android device. Make sure to delete it and go to the link and reinstall this again. Okay, once you're in this link, it will either take you to the Play Store or show you this this website over here. Just make sure to press on open in Play Store. Once it's opened, you need to go and install it from the Play Store. After it's installed, I'm going to show you the step where you're going to use the IP address, which is a bit more important step. So as you see, I'm installing AppBounty on my device right here. I'm just going to wait for it to download, and once the download is completed, I'm going to show you what to do. So I'm going to lighten up the brightness a bit so you can see more clearly, because I thought it was too much. So as you can see, the AppBounty is just finished downloading. You need to open it, and after it's opened, I'm going to show you what to do. And guys, just to prove it to you guys, I wanted to prove to you guys that this hack does work. As you can see, I have an iPhone in front of you, and it has almost 360,000 credits. Now this equals to almost $700, and this is just besides the the gift cards that I've redeemed. As you can see, in front of you, we have a $100 Amazon gift cards, we have PlayStation gift cards. You can do the same on your Android device as long as you do this step correctly. So as you can see now, the download is finished, and I'm going to open it, and I'm going to show you what to do. As you can see, we just opened up AppBounty, and you will do the steps just like I'm doing. You can get started and log in later. You don't need to log in with Facebook or anything. It does work if you log in with Facebook as well. You can choose either way. So once you open AppBounty, you need to go to where it says account, and I'm going to show you why you needed to memorize the IP address. So as you can see, we have a bar to enter a code. Now you're going to enter the code from your IP address. So it's very important to do this. And once you open it, it's going to say this is error, but don't worry about it. This is the most important step. You need to paste the IP address that you just memorized. I'm going to show you again. You need to go to settings, and after that to Wi-Fi. Once you're in Wi-Fi, you're going to choose the Wi-Fi that you're connected to, and you need to press it, and where it says IP address, make sure to memorize it. And once it's memorized, you need to go and put it back in the AppBounty application. So as you can see in front of you, I'm just going to really fastly type in the code so you can see clearly. As I said, each one is different, and if I get enough likes on this video, I'm sure I'm gonna do another one for iPhone users. And also make sure to help me reach 1,000 likes so I can make another part of this video, so it can be easier for you guys. So as you can see, I just wrote down, make sure to press on submit. Once you do that, as you can see, it's gonna say error. That's not important, don't worry about it. make sure to close out of AppBounty after it says error, open it back again, and this time you're going to enter another code which will start the hack. So make sure to type in this code, which is clylfvkq. Okay, so make sure to write this down correctly. All digits has to be small. Make sure to write it down and then press on submit, and it's going to say success. Now why we put up our IP address is because it's going to do the hack on the IP address using this code, which gives you unlimited credits within 24 hours. So make sure to wait 24 hours and you'll have unlimited credits on your AppBounty account, and you'll be able to redeem gift cards really easily. So as you can see, after you wrote down that gift card, that code, you need to go to your targets or your bar where it says the applications. You need to download an application at least. You have to download one application at least. Make sure to download an app, and after that open it for 1 minute. It's very important to do that. After opening it for 1 minute and after writing down the code, you will have your 50 credits to an unlimited number, just like I have on my iPhone. And as you can see, I've redeemed all these gift cards just by using this method. It's a bit different on iOS devices and iPhone, so make sure to hit the like button and reach 1000 likes so I can make another one for iPhone users. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to stay tuned.